G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewy back again. Today I'm getting close to finishing this guitar. Let's have a look at this guitar. This guitar is looking absolutely beautiful. I'm going to cut some holes for my tuners, fix the bridge. This guitar's close. Close. A couple of hard jobs left, but not many. Excited about this one. Just about to do some markings on this headstock as to where my tuning keys go, and it got a delivery. Don't you love delivery day? Oh, let's see what's in here. What do we got? What do we got in here? Perfect timing. I've got a neck caul, like a hard foam neck caul. That's great. A new guitar cable. Cheap rubbish, but it'll work. It'll do for what I want down here. Some pink tape. Hey, look at that. Roller string trees. Got some white pencils. Some pots. Look at the packaging they do for 2 roller string trees. You know what they say? Common sense is anything but common. You know, all that packaging for 5 nuts. 2 more roller string trees. So that's 3 sets of roller string trees, and look at the packaging that they use for that. I mean, come on, that's a little bit of overkill. Potentiometers. And a set of tuning keys, a bunch of guitar plectrums, and finally, yes, timely for this guitar because these are the knobs for this guitar. I decided to change to just silver metal nobules for this one. That's going to look fantastic. Awesome! I'm excited. I love it when I get a package. My wife loves a package too. Shame it's such a disappointing package. Product manual. Connects audio devices to transmit audio. Oh, is that what it does? Thank you. I've got my template and I've clamped it to the bench so it can't wiggle and wobble and move. And now I'm just going to use a 2.5mm drill bit to mark where my tuning keys go. I'm putting that in there, giving it a little twist backwards or anti-clockwise to mark my little spots there, and then I can drill some holes. Have a little look at my marks, double check that they line up beautifully, as good as I can do. Using my center punch, I'm just going to enlarge those little divots ever so slightly. And then I'm over to the drill press to drill some guide holes there with my 4mm drill bit. 4. I'll explain why in a minute. Now using my stepped drill bit, I'm just going to drill those up to 10mm. This is a 4mm edge, which is why I started with a 4mm hole. Easy job. Really nice result too. Absolutely beautiful. Well, the next step is simply get my tuners in there, line them all up, and then drill the little hole for the screw on the back of the tuner, and it will all be beautiful. I'm not going to put all of those screws in right now because there's no point. I'm only going to take the tuning keys off later again anyway. Now the final job I'm going to do is carve out my little comfort carve, my little heel carve here, and I'm simply going to do that with a Shinto rasp. It seems to be the easiest and neatest way that I can do it. I used to do it with a chisel, but I've found that the Shinto is a lot easier and I get a better result. So why not do it that way? Makes sense to me. I am going to do the sanding without filming it. You all know how to sand and I don't want to film that. This is looking pretty fine. I'm very happy with this guitar. Another little step closer. That access up here to these last frets, I mean, I can go beyond that fret there. This design, which is my design, designed by a guitar player for a guitar player, the access up here is phenomenal. That feels absolutely fantastic. Probably the best one I've made so far. Someone very lucky is going to own this. Now before I finish, I want to ask some questions of you, especially if you're in Australia and you know some of the laws here. How do I go about raffling this off legally? I have requested a letter of consent from the Leukemia Foundation to raffle on their behalf. I haven't had a response from them yet. Hopefully I'll get one on Monday. Yeah, if you know how I can go about raffling this guitar off, you know, so far the Jurg's Cup has made under $1,000 for the Leukemia Foundation. I reckon we can get that up to 10 grand easy. Hopefully I can help a little bit with this guitar. My goal is to get at least $1,000 for this, at least. All right. I was just thinking about some of the comments I heard about my itchy moustache the other day. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace. Amateur hour at Northeast Guitars. Woohoo!